Hi Nitish, good morning.
Hello, good evening, Richa, man.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm doing very well. And how
Oh, that's
about you?
really good. Yeah, I'm also good. And now I'm really feeling unflinching just because of you are here. You are here with us, and I hope you also can describe about your today because I'm really excited to know because I know that you're really great personality in your society, that I know that you are a social worker and you really so much liking to help to the people. So for that things that I'm really feeling glad to meet you. So first thing is that I would like to greet to you. So you are the most welcome at my platform, Awesome Blossom English Learner. And so please would you tell me, actually I'm really excited. I know about you, that who are you, that you are a amazing personality, but thing is that I want to tell to everyone by my YouTube platform that who are you. So please could you introduce yourself, sir?
Okay, thank you so much. It's my privilege that I am here. And you know me, but maybe some people they don't know me because I am not a big personality. If you told me that I am a big person, no, I am not a big personality. Yeah, I just trying to do something and I do farming only, and a part of this I do something for the people and yeah, my name is Nitish Mida and I am from West Bengal, and I do farming, and a part of this I'm learning English and trying to improve my communication. And thank you so much, and go ahead, ask me any kind of
uh,
another question.
that's really amazing. Actually, I just seriously, I didn't know that you are from West Bengal and you are belong to farming family as well as your profession is farming as well. So first of all, I would like to again seriously respect you as farming, because farming in our society it's really very important role. Just because of that, that we are living in city, so because of you, if you are here, so definitely we also can be keep healthy just because of farming. It's really very hard task to continue farming profession, and as well as that no one can no one can do these things, because it's really very hard how to manage all things. And in the summer vacations, in the sunlight or in rainy season, how to manage all field. Really amazing. I will really appreciate you. Seriously. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Yeah, I
Oh,
also think like that because these days people take studies and want to be a doctor, engineer, and do another kind of profession. But no one try to be a farmer because farming is not a white collar job. We can't say that I am doing a great job that in official sector. I'm officer. So some people think like that it is not a that kind of good job that we can get the respect. But if you think deep, if we all become, if we all become an engineer, a businessman, if we all, if we make cars, bikes, so what will happen in the next generation if we don't grow crops? So if you don't have to eat, so what will we do with the car and bike without having food? What will we do with a big house if everybody shift towards the another occupation and quit the job? So if you think deeper, then you will realize that soon we will face the hunger crisis again. But
yeah, exactly, sir. Exactly. It's not piece of cake. We can continue everything related to education field, but if we will talk about that, we also can do, like we also can grow crops, and we also can we think at the best knowledge. It is really very long process to gain knowledge to learn this process things. And because of you are farming, and that's why I can say proudly that we are really very, we also can keep to ourselves really healthy. And that's why we
Yeah,
are taking our natural food as well.
even the farmer don't want to make his children a farmer. If I have a children, boy or girl, okay, doesn't matter. But if I grow my child and I don't want to make him or her a farmer, I also, I will also try to make him a good job, like government job or other kind of job. So everybody think that my children will become a officer, engineer, doctor, scientist, any other, but not farmer. So this kind of
Why?
thinking we should.
Yeah, yeah, just continue, sir, please.
So this kind of thing we have to change. We also think the modern technique of farming. We should
Uh-huh.
research. We should do the farming because farming is also a good occupation. If we
Exactly.
if we try if we try to learn the modern techniques, if we grow, it's an independent job, and we can make a good money also.
Yeah, exactly. So, sir, what do you think? Why are you saying like this? That seriously, you're saying like this that no one preferred to become a farmer. No one preferred. Why?
Because there are lots of things uh, I don't want to talk against the law, against the government, but yeah, I want to tell that it is not a respectful job. Everybody thinks he's a farmer illiterate person. So if I go somewhere to sell my vegetables, they always think that he is a farmer. So he doesn't have a knowledge. He is
No,
just
sir.
illiterate person. This kind of thinking, yeah, not everybody, but
Mm.
maximum people, they think he is a farmer. So everybody try to teach, try to get knowledge to become a good personality, like good get a good job to business. Everybody think business is the best thing, not farming.
Oh my God. Okay. So seriously, when I'm just listening your story at the time, I just feel, I also feeling internally a pain. That why? Like you are doing really, very hard work and you are feeling like that. Seriously, to be honest,
Uh,
that
you
I
know
just realized that, mhm,
everybody have a price tag. Everybody have a price tag that he is earning 50,000, is 1 lakh, 2 lakh package. Even every packet of a chips, there is a price tag that it is 5, goes to 5 rupees, 10 rupees. The biscuit packet is 5 rupees. But our vegetables, there is no tag. Even we get a good money, even we have to make waste that. Sometimes we can't sell them. So this is
yeah,
pathetic. This is pathetic when we are doing hard work. Sometimes we get, yeah, sometimes we get unimaginary money. Sometimes we get a lot of money. But sometimes we face loss that even we can't accept it. This year, lots of cauliflowers, farmers, they destroyed because they couldn't sell them in the market. So they
yeah,
destroyed in their farm. And even now
yeah.
we can't sell the rice. They are going very
Uh-huh.
low price. So you are doing hard work, we are growing crops, but sometimes we can't able to sell them. So this is pathetic. This is pathetic. That is why I'm saying this. Everyone wants to make their children a professor, a teacher, a doctor, but no, not a farmer.
Okay.